Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly versatile and essential power solution, the BRST 5V AC adapter. This adapter is designed to be the perfect companion for a range of devices, specifically catering to popular models like the Elmo MO-1, M01, and its various iterations such as the 1337-1, 1337-2, 1337-3, 1337-164, 1336-12, MO-1WH, and MO-1B document cameras. It also extends its compatibility to Mach Speed Trio Stealth-9, MSD921, and Stealth-10 G2 devices, making it a highly adaptable power source for visual presenters and certain tablets. One of the standout features of this BRST adapter is its impressive input voltage range, spanning from 100 to 240 VAC at 5060 Hz. This means it's truly designed for worldwide use, offering incredible convenience for anyone who travels or needs a reliable power supply in different regions without worrying about voltage converters. The output is a consistent 5 volts, delivered through a standard barrel connector, ensuring a stable and appropriate power flow to your sensitive electronics. Beyond its broad compatibility and global usability, the BRST 5V AC adapter places a strong emphasis on safety. It boasts multiple certifications, including FCC, CE, and RoHS, assuring users of its adherence to stringent international safety and environmental standards. More importantly, it incorporates critical protective measures directly into its design. We're talking about robust short-circuit protection, which safeguards your devices from potential electrical damage, overvoltage protection to prevent harm from power surges, and overheat protection, ensuring the adapter itself operates within safe temperature limits. These features collectively provide immense peace of mind, knowing your valuable equipment is powered safely and reliably. The BRST brand has clearly focused on delivering a dependable and secure power accessory. It's a practical choice for anyone needing a replacement or a spare adapter for their Elmo document camera or Mach Speed tablet. However, it's always crucial for potential buyers to double-check their specific device model against the comprehensive list provided by BRST to ensure perfect compatibility before making a purchase. This diligence ensures the right product is acquired, preventing any inconvenience. This adapter truly stands out as a reliable and safe option for keeping those essential devices powered up and ready for action.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.